Panini Countdown Calendar for 2025. Today's the 13th day of December. So let's open up day 13. You know? Three cards inside. Jackson Smith, I can't say it. JSN, how about that? I know he goes by that. We got a little Mike Green rookie. All right, and inside, that's going to be the back. Let's flip her over. We got Malcolm Rodriguez. Draft Diamonds. Okay, there we go. I'm only now just realizing that these have plaid in them for the holiday theme, I'm assuming. I like that. That's fun. Anywho, thanks for tuning in. We'll be back next time. Take care. Be well.